You've seen the headlines. AI is changing everything. But the real shocker? It's making people rich. And no, they're not tech geniuses or startup founders. They're freelancers, creators, side hustlers. Maybe just like you. In 2025, the AI economy is surging toward $1.8 trillion. And beneath that explosion are new, weird, and wildly profitable income streams almost no one is talking about. From selling AI-generated art to building bots that work while you sleep. This is the AI Gold Rush. So don't just watch others win. Stick with me as we break down how real people are cashing in. And how you can too. Let's dive into the secret money models of the AI era. Here's the deal. AI isn't just cool tech anymore. It's the backbone of a new economy. Tools that used to take teams of coders, now you can use them for $10 a month, or free. And what used to take 20 hours of editing, scripting, and design, you can now automate with a few clicks. The result? Time back, passive income, scalable results. That's why students, moms, retirees, people with zero tech background, are launching AI side hustles that actually pay. If you're not starting now, you're missing the easiest money decade we've ever seen. Let's find your angle. So, what should you actually do with AI? This is where most people get stuck. But the key is this. Don't follow the hype. Follow the problem. Want to make videos? AI can write, narrate, and animate them in minutes. You can launch a full faceless YouTube channel without even recording your voice. Love writing? AI helps you crank out ebooks, social captions, sales pages, then sell them on Gumroad or Amazon. Creative brain? AI art and music are hot. Mid-Journey images sell as posters. AI beats land on TikTok tracks. Business savvy? Train your own chatbot, sell data models, or build automation tools for small businesses. The secret isn't to master AI. It's to pick a niche, then let AI do the heavy lifting. Start simple. Test fast. Scale what works. And remember, AI isn't the product. It's the multiplier. Let's break down the setup, because it's easier than you think. First, pick your AI tool stack. For content, try ChatGPT plus Pictory or Runway. For art, Mid-Journey or Leonardo AI. For automation, Zapier, Notion AI, and TDO chatbots. You don't need to pay up front. Most tools have free plans. Next, pick your platform. YouTube, Instagram, Etsy, Fiverr. Each one has a different vibe, but they all want one thing: high output creators. Now build your pipeline. Example: ChatGPT writes your script. 11 Labs clones your voice. Pictory turns it into a video. Boom. Upload daily without burning out. Want to sell? Design AI posters? List on Etsy? Write AI ebooks? Sell on Amazon KDP. Offer AI-enhanced services on freelancing platforms. The point is, you're not starting from scratch. AI is your team. You're the boss. So grab a domain, build a basic Notion workspace or Google Sheet for tracking, and get moving. Speed beats perfection. New to this? Here are the easiest AI money models to start this week. Number 1. Faceless YouTube channels. AI writes, voices, and edits for you. Just upload. Monetize with ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Number 2. Digital art prints on Etsy. Use Mid-Journey to generate art in seconds. Sell as downloads. No inventory, no shipping. Number 3. AI-powered freelancing offer. Writing, editing, or chatbot creation services. Use ChatGPT to handle 80% of the work. Number 4. Audiobook creation. Turn AI-written content into audio using 11 Labs or Play.ht. Sell on Audible or Gumroad. Number 5. AI productivity tools. Package up Notion. Templates plus AI workflows. Sell to solopreneurs and students. Bonus: all of these scale without hiring. You just double down on what works. And these aren't theoretical. People are already pulling $1,000 to $10,000 a month using just one of these. So choose one, commit for 30 days, and go all in. You'll be shocked how far AI can take you. Fast. Let's walk through your first AI-powered income stream, step by step. Say you're launching a faceless YouTube channel. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to generate a list of trending video ideas in your niche. Pick one. Ask it to write a full script in your tone. Next, 11 Labs. Upload your voice clone or pick a professional AI voice. Paste the script and export your audio. Now open Pictory. Upload your voice track. The AI automatically selects visuals and syncs the video. Customize, add music, download. Boom! You've got a full video, without filming a thing. Want to sell something instead? Use Midjourney to create 10 pieces of AI art. Upload to Etsy or Gumroad with catchy titles and keywords. Start simple, but be consistent. One solid product or video a day equals 30 pieces of monetizable content a month. Don't overthink. Just create, upload, repeat. Momentum matters more than perfection. And the best way to learn? By doing it, today. You've created your content. Now let's get it seen. For YouTube or Instagram, your title and thumbnail are 80% of the game. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. Thumbnails? Use Canva or Thumbnail.ai to make scroll-stopping designs. In your description, include keywords naturally, and always add a call to action. Subscribe, check the link, or buy now. For Etsy or Gumroad, use searchable titles. Instead of Sunset Dream, try Midjourney Abstract Wall Art, Printable, Boho Aesthetic. Use tags wisely. Link related products. Add testimonials if possible. Post consistently. Then watch what performs. AI doesn't just help you create, it helps you optimize. Feed the algorithm what it wants, and it'll reward you with reach. Here's how people are cashing in. Ads. YouTube, blogs, digital products, art, ebooks, tools, freelance gigs, AI-enhanced services, affiliate links, course sales, API or SaaS subscriptions. You've got multiple income streams on autopilot. If you're watching this, you're already ahead. Most people see the AI wave, but freeze. You're learning how to ride it. Here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start, test, fail, learn, repeat. Every video, every product, every offer builds your foundation. AI isn't replacing you, it's amplifying you. So leverage it. Your next 30 days can change your next 30 years if you move now. Let's go make something powerful. Smash that like button if this gave you a roadmap. Subscribe for weekly AI money hacks. Drop a comment. What's your favorite AI income idea? Links to tools, templates, and my exact setup are in the description. 2025 is AI's year, and it's your turn to profit.